In this video, we'll show you how to become a computer ninja with keyboard shortcuts that every user should know. Instead of relying on the mouse and wasting time, you can use these tricks to work faster and more efficiently. Step 1. Learn the basics. First, familiarize yourself with the basic shortcuts that work across all platforms, such as Ctrl+C for copying and Ctrl+V for pasting. You can also use Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo. Step 2. Windows shortcuts. If you're a Windows user, you'll benefit from shortcuts like Alt-Tab to switch between open windows and Ctrl+D to delete a selected item. You can also press Windows key +L to lock your computer quickly. Step 3. Mac shortcuts. For Mac users, we recommend learning shortcuts like Command+Q to quit an application and Command+Spacebar to open Spotlight, a handy search tool. You can also use Command+Option+Escape to force quit an application that's not responding. Step 4. Customizing shortcuts. Did you know you can customize shortcuts in many applications? For example, you can set a shortcut to send an email in Outlook or save a document in Word. To do this, simply go to the software's Preferences or Options menu and look for the Keyboard Shortcuts section. Step 5. Practice makes perfect. Finally, the key to mastering keyboard shortcuts is to practice, practice, practice. Soon enough, using the mouse will feel like a waste of time. That's it. Thanks for watching our full guide to keyboard shortcuts that every computer user should know. Be sure to leave us a comment below with your favorite shortcuts.